Introducing the new Vega Series LED light pods from Oracle Lighting. The objective of the Vega Compact Off-Road Series is to provide the users with an unparalleled lighting experience. All right, so what's in the box? Let's take a look at the Series 2. We've got the Oracle warranty card, stickers, and instructions. And of course, we've got our Series 2 20-watt LED spotlight here with the included lens cover. This snaps right off like so. On here, we've got our stainless steel hardware, universal bracket, and then stainless steel mounting hardware as well. The embedded Deutsch connector is right here, and there's a 2-foot long whip that's included with each of these that snaps in just like so. So in each box, of course, you get 2 of these. They're sold in pairs, and each one has its own wiring as well. And these include a 5-year manufacturer warranty. The Vega is now available in a spotlight configuration. We'll also have this available soon in a floodlight as well as a SAE fog. We appreciate you watching. For more information, visit oraclelights.com.